Welcome back to the Rustic Planters, where we turn everyday outdoor spaces into breathtaking garden escapes. Today, we're stepping into a world of mystery, elegance, and bold beauty with Gothic garden courtyard ideas that truly make a statement. If you love dramatic aesthetics and timeless charm, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite garden style. Your support helps us keep creating inspiring content just for you. Now, let's explore how to transform your courtyard into a dark, majestic sanctuary filled with character, texture, and a touch of enchantment. A Gothic courtyard begins with mood. Think deep shadows, rich textures, and an atmosphere that feels both dramatic and inviting. This style draws inspiration from old world architecture, where every corner tells a story. Start by visualizing your space as a secluded retreat. High walls, enclosed layouts, and layered elements create that intimate, almost secret garden feel that defines Gothic design. The goal is to balance darkness with beauty. You're not creating something gloomy. You're crafting a space that feels powerful, mysterious, and deeply artistic. Color plays a crucial role in achieving Gothic flair. Focus on deep tones like charcoal, black, burgundy, forest green, and dark plum to set the foundation. These shades can be incorporated through painted walls, stone finishes, furniture, and even planters. Pairing dark colors with subtle metallic accents adds depth and elegance. Don't be afraid to contrast these tones with lighter elements like pale stone or soft candlelight. This contrast enhances the dramatic effect and keeps the space visually balanced. Gothic design thrives on striking architectural details. Arched doorways, trellises, and wrought iron gates instantly elevate the courtyard's character. Consider adding vertical elements like climbing frames or tall pergolas. These not only draw the eye upward, but also create a sense of grandeur and enclosure. Stone pathways, aged brick walls, and weathered finishes help ground the design, giving your courtyard that timeless, almost ancient feel. Plants are the heart of any garden, and in a Gothic courtyard, they should feel lush, layered, and slightly untamed. Choose foliage with deep green or purple hues for a moody effect. Incorporate plants with interesting textures. Ferns, ivy, and ornamental grasses add movement and depth. Climbing plants are especially important for softening hard surfaces. Add a few statement plants with dramatic shapes or dark blooms to create focal points. The key is to make the garden feel alive, mysterious, and slightly overgrown. Lighting can completely transform your Gothic courtyard, especially in the evening. Soft, warm lighting creates a magical and intimate atmosphere. Use lanterns, candles, and low-level lighting to cast shadows and highlight textures. Flickering light adds that classic Gothic ambience you're aiming for. Avoid overly bright or harsh lighting. Instead, focus on subtle illumination that enhances the mood and makes the space feel like a hidden sanctuary. Choose furniture that complements the Gothic theme. Think wrought iron benches, dark wood tables, and vintage-inspired pieces. These elements add both function and style. Layer in textiles like deep-colored cushions or patterned fabrics to soften the look and add comfort. Rich textures help balance the harder architectural features. Decorative accents such as statues, ornate planters, and aged ornaments bring personality into the space. Each piece should feel intentional and slightly dramatic. Creating a Gothic garden courtyard is all about embracing bold design, rich textures, and a sense of mystery. With the right balance of structure, plants, and lighting, you can craft a space that feels both powerful and peaceful. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your own courtyard into a majestic sanctuary filled with dramatic flair and timeless beauty. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see what you create. See you in the next video.